In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Bing to Google Chrome as your preferred search engine. This is especially useful if you're accustomed to Google's search capabilities and want it to be your default search engine in Chrome. Let's get started by opening up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is look towards the top right corner. This is where you'll find a three-dot menu icon. It's usually referred to as the More menu, and it's a gateway to a variety of Chrome settings and tools. Click on those three little dots and a drop-down menu will appear. When you see the drop-down menu, take a look for the Settings option. It's about halfway down the list. Click on Settings, and this will open a new page filled with different sections, each dedicated to various features and configurations of Chrome. Now that you're in the Settings menu, glance at the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice a sidebar filled with options. Here, you'll want to locate the section labeled Search Engine. It might be a few options down, but once you find it, click on it. Doing so will lead you to yet another page, specifically dedicated to managing your search engine settings. On this page, pay attention to the section that states Search Engine Used in the address bar. This is where we're going to make the change. You'll see a drop-down menu here. It's quite intuitive, just click on it, and a list of visible search engine options will appear. From the list that appears, find and select Google. This action is crucial, as it modifies the default search engine for your Chrome browser from whatever it was set to previously, like Bing, to Google. Once you've selected Google, you're all set. From now on, whenever you type a query directly into the address bar, Google will be the engine doing the searching for you. You'll find that the experience is seamless, as Google offers a wealth of features and options that many people find helpful for everyday browsing. Just to recap, we went into Chrome settings, navigated to the search engine section, and adjusted the search engine setting to Google. This change is quick and straightforward, but it can significantly enhance your browsing experience if you're used to Google Chrome's search algorithms and layout. When you're done making this change, feel free to exit out of the settings menu. Your changes are saved automatically, and there you have it, a simple change that aligns your browser's search functionality with your preferences. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this guide made your browsing experience more tailored and efficient.